Curly Curls. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description down below. But what's up? It's your girl CNC, also known as CurlsnCaramel, creating this interstellar ponytail. If you want to keep watching, go ahead and keep doing that. You're in for a real treat. It's real fun and it's real easy. So let's get into it. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair that I washed the night before, and I put some CurlyCurl cream on it and let it dry. Next, I'm going to take my white tooth comb and detangle my hair along with my detangling brush. This aids in not using heat, and it keeps your hair healthy without damaging your hair follicle. In addition to my black detangling brush, I also grabbed this one, which has bristles in it, and it's like a wig brush, but it's better for your natural hair because it's also soft. And then I just did a loose plait to keep that straight formation without using heat. In order to achieve this gravity-defying ponytail, you might want to stand up, and I bent over to make sure my hair would stay up in that one ponytail, and I used my Got2b glue and my Shine and Jam to stick it in place. Hold up. Wave check. No, I'm playing, but now you want to take the hard side of your brush and brush it to the top and make your bun. With you all summer and after rain. Just to make sure it would stay, I took 2 rubber bands and put it on top, and I took my Indian hemp hair food and put that on my edges as a base before I put the edge control and Shine and Jam. With you all summer and after rain. With you all summer and after rain. After brushing down your edges, you want to take the wrap we got in the beginning and put it on your hair, and this is going to set it in place so you don't have to brush your hair again. After your hair dries and you have a snack, you can go ahead and start doing your edges. First step, I took some edge booster and I swooped my edges as I usually would do, and make sure that you put that food growth on your edges as a base to protect from the harsh chemicals that may be in your products. After that, I took some Got2b glue and laid it on top after they are swooped, and then I started with the rhinestones. Utilizing the infamous stylish trick, I put some Got2b glue on the back of my hand, and I dipped the rhinestone in it and sat it on top of the Got2b glue that was already on my edges, and I just put them on there with my finger without any tools, and they should stick. With you all summer and after rain. 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 With you all. So after edging with the stars, you might want to take your ponytail now, and I just used this Organique 24-inch Dream Wave hair from my local beauty supply store. But yeah, make sure y'all comb this, because when you take it out the little net, it might be a little messed up, but you gotta comb. I told y'all in the beginning to comb. So you can flat iron this, you can curl. She being disrespectful right now, but you can flat iron this, you can curl this, all that. It's totally okay if you don't get it the first time. This is my first time working with weave like this anyways.
So just make sure that you keep trying and that you do not give up. Don't give up ever in anything that you do. I don't care if it's a ponytail. I don't care if it's your job. Don't ever give up. Pursue your dreams. I know what y'all thinking. You can still see your blonde. You can still see your blonde. Baby, I have a whole other pack. What did you think this was? You thought this was a game? We don't do that here. Not at CurlsnCaramel. Not CNC. We don't show the bun. Okay? We're gonna keep going.
Interstellar love. I love is in the stars, baby.
You gotta put some guts in it.
Looking real fine, you looking real divine. I wanna sip you slow, just like some fine wine. I love the way your girls curl, I love this flower girl. Got the keys to the spaceship, we can take a trip to a different frequency, But honestly, I be tripping off you so frequently. You the wind beneath my wings or whatever that corny shit is. You the reason I fly, that's all I'm trying to say, shit. We can chill, we can keep it cool, you know. But it might get crazy when I've been on that booty, though. We don't gotta go fast, cause I like it slow. I got that game that make your eyes go back in your body flow. Ooh, but let me stop. If I get a disgusting climax, somehow I'ma have you on top. I'm the guy, you my goddess, finna rule the world. You're my interstellar love, I love you, girl.
Come, Ace. She said, come here. This is my dog. Look. Good girl. She said, huh? She said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to CurlsnCaramel. She can Hannah. Y'all still here? Loyal. Y'all loyal. Or is it just because I'm cute? Oh no. Let me know down below in the comments.